Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to preview split screen in real-time rendering. Let's try it together. Step 1. Enter real-time rendering. Enter the Render tool. Click Add to real-time rendering under the left light section. Select the desired light template in the pop-up panel and click Confirm. Step 2. Split screen preview. After entering the real-time rendering tool, you can click on Split Screen Preview in the upper toolbar to switch to another screen for real-time preview. You can also switch to Split Screen Preview in the upper right preview box to switch another screen for real-time preview. Click Merge Preview page to switch back to the original page. At the same time, Split Screen Preview provides a lock function. You can set it up to suit your needs. When a split screen window needs to be fixed at a specific view, click Lock Current Perspective under the current view to fix the split screen window view. When the split screen window needs to follow the canvas changes, click Unlock Current Perspective. That's all. Thanks for watching.